Alright, so another day, another something. I unbolted the hubs and everything, trailing arms, so I can get them. It's easier to move this thing around with when it's just this. I didn't remove the lower control arms because I do have the adjustable SPC arms for them. But what I'm going to do right now is slot this some more and try and get to like the edge of that. Basically, I mean, you can tell like where it ends or whatever. So I'm going to try and get to that, and then yeah, it should give me way more than enough camber, I think. So gonna just keep trying that then, and yeah, I think going out to there is gonna be a lot, but we'll see what happens. Let me get to it. Alright, so I went ahead and slotted up quite a bit more. Yeah, so stock, slotted, stock, slotted. Quite a bit. I think you get more from the upper than you do the lower on like small increments or whatever. Like it'll take you a lot more lower camber to get like more camber than it would if you just kind of brought it in from the top. That's generally speaking for the front and the rear of the vehicle. But yeah, that's done out of the way. Now I'm gonna move this back in here and get these trailing arms up here, see if I can get these bushings out finally so that I can get those bushings out over there on the subframe, the diff and all that stuff. And then I can move on to installing all the bushings. So let me put the camera down, get this all reorganized or whatever so that I can get to work. Be back. Alright, officially got trailing arm. Drill is your best friend for this. Both trailing arms out. So now I just need all 3 diff bushings and I can get to installing. Well, I'm going to clean it all again. I'm probably going to get like a scrubber to actually scrub it because even though I power washed it, like you can see, it's still kind of meh. It's not like dirt that comes off, but I want it to be cleaner, so I'm going to get real into that. I think those are about as clean as I'll get, but I'll probably still scrub them anyway. Time to do the old swapperoo and get this out there. Alright, diff bushings are giving me a fucking headache. I got my pry bar stuck in there. So, that's it for today. I will be back tomorrow. I won't finish this video until all the bushings are out, so this is just day 1 of this video. Day 2 is tomorrow. See you later. Alright, so I had thoughts while, I should be sleeping. Figured I'd come out here and do it. Yeah, diff bushing's almost out. I'll be back in the morning. Alright, so I didn't do much recording because a lot of it was like swearing and cussing and beating shit up. But, as you can tell, I've got all the bushings in. I just did the trailing arm, or both trailing arms. And these are really cool because And I was hoping that they were like this when I ordered them, because I'm on a budget still, and for doing a lot of shit, like I'm, you know, budget friendly as a motherfucker. But what's really cool about these white line bushings, and I'll include a link in the description, is, like I was saying before, I say like 100 times, I want toe out, right? So this comes with washers, right? So I can put this here, and whoa, this is a tight fucking fit. Let's see if I can set this up. Alright. And with that, I can actually manipulate more of a toe out. Since I have the ride kind of low, and I have quite some camber, so now this arm is further into the bracket, so even when I'm in the car and I put the bracket as far back this way, the arm's gonna be even further than the stock location, so that I can get more toe out, or toe correction at this point. That's pretty much it, as you can see. And I think the last clips I mentioned that I slotted the arm some more for more camber. Still got the lower control arms to replace. I'll do that probably next time, a little bit, or tomorrow, or whatever. Thursday, whenever I work on the vehicle. I'm probably not gonna work on it tomorrow, because tomorrow I get my baby, so tomorrow will be all about her. But yeah, bushings are officially done. The only thing left to do is seal up the diff, weld in the reinforcements, and I'm good to go, man. So thanks again for watching. If you made it this far, I'm not sure how long this video is going to be. We're going to do a lot of time lapsing, a lot of cutting, try and make it as short as possible, because I don't think anyone likes to watch, you know, 20-minute long videos about bullshit. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Ride on triple chrome, glide on them Vogues. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the streets, screwed up with my clip. Let them see how out they gone, out the blicks. Pray to God, rapper.